Are you tired of your fine hair feeling lifeless? One factor that could have contributed to your hair's current lack of volume, a bad haircut from years ago. Thin hair, for example, can be styled to achieve chisel-like bounce and volume by cutting and layering. You can try to curl it, pull it, and style hair all you want, but it won't seem fuller without the proper technique. Here are the top 25 hairstyles for thin hair. Number 1. Texturized Pixie. Number 2. One length. Number 3. Wavy Bob. Number 4. Short Pixie with baby bangs. Number 5. Wavy Shoulder-Length. Number 6. Voluminous Lob. Number 7. Face Framing Layers. Number 8. Chin-Crazing Bob. Number 9. Wavy Lob. Number 10. Light Layers. Number 11. Asymmetrical Bob. Number 12. Curly Pixie. Number 13. Half up, half down. Number 14. Heavy bangs. Number 15. Textured Lob. Number 16. Wavy Mid-Length. Number 17. Retro Lob. Number 18. Pompadour. Number 19. Curved Bob. Number 20. Side-swept Lob. Number 21. Stacked. Number 22. Blunt Lob. Number 23. Strategic Highlights. Number 24. Topknot. Number 25. Beachy Waves. What was your favorite style? Leave your comments below and let us know. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.